This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the wallpaper you want and confirming it's accessible on your device. Pick a photo or live photo with resolution equal to or higher than your screen to maintain sharpness. You don't want the system to upscale. Once done, save it in Photos or Files so you can open it from the Settings app quickly. Make sure iCloud Photos is synced if you use multiple devices, because that simplifies transfer and keeps the original quality intact. Now you go into Settings and choose Wallpaper to add a new image. Tap Add New Wallpaper and select the image source. You'll want to position and crop the photo so focal points aren't behind widgets or the clock, and then choose Perspective or Still to control parallax. If it's a live photo, set it to Animate on the lock screen. Make sure to preview lock and home screens, then tap Set to apply to lock, home, or both. These choices affect legibility and battery behavior. Finish by explicitly setting the wallpaper to lock screen, home screen, or both, and then examine how widgets and text contrast against the image. You may need to slightly darken or crop the photo to keep icons readable. Once the wallpaper is live, swipe across lock screens to confirm motion and effects look good. If the wallpaper fails to apply, restart the device, reselect the image, and verify there are no storage or profile restrictions blocking changes. That simple restart usually clears transient glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.